Well, hello there, this is Tony and I'm in the need for a new hobby. Actually, I already tried out a new hobby about 3 weeks ago. I went to a Bob Ross style painting workshop and this is the result. I'm quite pleased with this, and today I will be making floating frames for this painting so that I can hang it on the wall. I will be making two different frames in this video, one with the angle clamps and the other one with the specifically designed frame clamp that you can see on the right hand side in this frame. We will need some wood glue, some nails and a hammer to put the nails in the wood, and I'm using a hand miter saw because it's more precise than the electric one that I have. And the idea behind the floating frame is that the picture appears to be floating in the frame, which is a really nice optical illusion. So the edges of the frame will be apart from the edges of the painting, and I will use a 7mm space in between. Let's cut the wood to size. After cutting, I'm using some sanding paper to clean up the edges. For the bigger frame, that is 50 by 70 centimeters, I need a brace to prevent the wood from warping. Therefore, I am cutting away some of the wood with a chisel so that it nicely fits together. After all the wood glue has dried overnight, I am gluing and nailing the back and front part together. Then I will let it dry for another 24 hours and I continue with painting. painting I selected a grey wash kind of stain because the color matches the paintings. I'm applying it with a brush and let it dry for another 24 hours after painting. Once it has fully dried, I can hang the paintings onto the wall. Now we have the Bob Ross style painting in a frame, and we have the hummingbird painting in a frame. Let's hang them to a wall. Paintings are hanging on the wall now, so that concludes this project. I hope you had fun watching, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and I will update you with more projects in the future. For now, bye bye.